Hello everyone and thank you for watching this video. Leonardo AI image generator. This is one of the best AI image generator that I know so far. And in this video I'm going to show you how to use it. It's very simple and you can start using it for free. You will be getting 150 credit per day and usually the image costs around 10 credit. So you'll be able to have around 15 images per day. Also, creating an account here does not require any credit card information. So you can create more than one account and you can use each one for 15 free photos. So when you open Leonardo AI and you create an account, you will be presented with a page like this with the images for other people that have used before, and on the left with the menu for the tools that you can use. As you can see, there is a lot of nice images here. You can create and click on one of them and you can see the prompt that you can use to create something similar to this. All you have to do, just copy and then use this prompt to generate an image, and you will be getting something similar as well. Let's just start creating images here. So we go from the AI tool, we click on image creation, and from here we presented with this page. We got the prompt box and we got the history of the images that we have created before. On the left side menu we have the different tools and settings that we can use to control the image that we are going to have as an output for our prompt. So first we can control the present, which is the image style that we would like to have, and we have different ones. I will be using the Leonardo Phonics, the new one, but you can use like the anime, the cinematic kino, concept art, graphic design, illustrative, and there's a lot more. But we'll be using this one. And from here, you can choose to enhance a prompt. I think this tool is very useful. So for example, if you have a small prompt like a dog, a car, or anything that you don't want to know any details and you would like the AI to create a detailed prompt, then you can use this tool. It's usually set to automatic, but you can choose also on or off if you would like to have more control on how the prompt will be. I will keep it as automatic. And from here you can choose a different type of present also, but we already choose this one and we'll keep it as dynamic. We will not be changing anything. Contrast also, if you would like to have a different contrast, you can control it from here as well. The generation mode, we have the fast and the quality. The fast is the one used for free, and it'll give you a little bit less quality, but I think it's good so far. The quality one is only for the premium users. We have also the image dimensions or the aspect ratio. I will also keep it 1:1, but you can have different style if you would like to use it as for short or for different type. You can also have a different aspect ratio. We also have the option to keep it as medium or small, but we will keep it as medium because the large is only for the premium users. We can also have a number of images, but changing that is only for the premium user, so we'll be using only the 4 images, and usually that will cost us around 24 credit. There is also an advanced settings. Let's talk about this one, the private mode. The private mode is if you don't like to share your images with anybody, then or you don't want it to be public here, then you can just activate it, but it is also only for the premium users. For the advanced settings is if you would like to have a real photo, like a realistic image to use, then you can just click here, activate it, and this one is also for the premium users. For the rest, you can use without any premium users for the free account as well. The negative prompt is the prompt that you can, it's like an extra prompt box that you can type what you don't really want to see in the image. So you will have more control on what the image will not show when you generate it. Transparency, in some of the styles you can also have the image without a background, but I don't think this is a problem because there is a lot of AI tool that can remove the background for you. Tiling is when you want to have a pattern or repeated pattern on the image and to use for different purposes. You can use it by going here, activate it, so it will repeat the design to the aspect ratio that you want to have. And the fixed seed. The fixed seed is if you have another image that you saw and you already like, you can copy the seed of that image and paste here, and it will generate the image for you. But at the same time, you could just use copy the prompt from that image and use it. So let's create our images. You can create your own you can write your own prompt, or you can just click here and new random prompt, and it will create a prompt for us. So it says, in the center of a vast glowing starship hangar, a futuristic spacecraft, and it's a long detailed prompt. Great. So let's say we like this one, we can just click here generate, and it will generate 4 images for us. Usually it take around 1 minute. So we wait a little bit and see what kind of images it's going to create. At this time, I'm going to show you the images that I already created before. So this is a prompt that I use. It's Joyful Fluffy Dog, and it was enhanced by AI to be that long. And this is the images that are created just a few minutes earlier. As you can see, beige sofa with a cute dog, very realistic and detailed image. And yes, it's amazing. It's not even, you can't even tell it was created by AI. It almost has no flaws. This is also some of the image with a prompt that was completely generated by AI. Also, it looked like a comic book style, but it looks great. A lot of details, contrast, and as you can see, it looks completely fine. There is no signs of any mistakes here. This one as well, and this. So the images has been created. Let's check what we have. So this is the image that we created. It looks great. Look like something from a science fiction movie. And this is the second one. A lot more details. And as you can see, it looks great. Of course, if you have the premium version, you might have more detail, but this one is great as well. Let's go here again. I have no idea what this is. Look like spaceship, but got like some hole in the front. Yes, maybe it's for charging or something. Yes, this is the last one, and all images look a little bit similar, but they are different from each other, and they look great, and they can be used for any purposes. If you click here, you can download the image, or yes, that's so far that's what we have. Let's try to create some image here, and let's just type our own prompt and see if we can enhance it by AI. Let's see, cute cat in a nice house laying. Okay, so we have this prompt. It's small, as you can see, with no details. And let's try to use AI to improve it. All you have to do, just click improve prompt from here, and it will just do this, a very long detailed prompt. And we can just click generate, and it will generate it. From here, there is this small box, but I think we cannot use it with this present. Let's try different present to see if we are able to access it. We can access it from here. For here, we can have a different image guidance, or we can click on elements, abstract line art. Let's see here. We have abstract line art, for example, that we can use to create this drawings, coloring books, or to have something like this enemy as well. So, but we are not going to use any of that for now. I'm just trying to show you that it is possible. I will just stay to Leonardo Phonics, and let's click here, generate, and wait a little bit to see what kind of images that we are going to create. Usually it's fast, doesn't take too long. So I guess this is seconds. It took like 20 seconds. Let's see how long it's gonna take. So it took around 24 seconds. Okay, let's see what we have. This is the first image, very cute cat. Cat who's been eating a little bit too much in a nice house. Another one looks really nice. And here you can see Details are clear. The contrasts are clear as well. There is no problem with the image. No extra fingers or eyes. Yes. This one also looks great. I don't know if the hair look like this naturally, but so far it looks great. So this is the AI, Leonardo AI image generator, and we are using it for free. I think I have only 50 more credits that I can use to create 5 more images. So you can try it and let me know if there is anything you would like to know more, or if you want me to try. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.